In this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you a very powerful solution for business modeling, which also makes the most complex enterprise a simple drag and drop operation. Importing files are all Excel-based, where the power comes from the matching capability of our new rapid business modeling technology. This very basic business model video starts with a small organization of 3 million revenue, then switches to a larger organization while using the same FlowBuilder as the template by simply connecting with the import spreadsheets of the larger organization. You will also learn that analytics are done using our performance management suite. We make use of many visual analytics such as WhaleCurve, potentializer, and array plots. All of them are interactive, multidimensional, and allow drill down, showing at a glance where the music is playing, so to speak, with the overall objective to find the best routes to an improved customer profitability. The first step shows the decomposition of the resources via the expense versus resource table into the workplace cost. Those workplace costs are then further decomposed using the activity versus expense table, which typically measures the time of various activities carried out by people in the organization. The resulting activity costs are exactly the same amount as the resources, but just in more granularity. The table driver shows the overall relationship between the product customers and their respective drivers. Here we are taking a part of this, and it is what you see. Decomposing the activity costs via the driver table results in the overall customer costs in all dimensions, where you see an essential data part of this table. Then we roll up some dimensions and have the customer costs in customer and product dimensions. Subtracting these customer costs from the revenue, you get the profit in the same dimensions. The next icon makes the data combination of cost, revenue, profit, volume, and their respective units. The customer WhaleCurve graphic is what you see next. When we pick one particular customer, we can drill down into the product WhaleCurve of this customer. So you are always getting a 360-degree view of your customers. Even customers inside the green part very often have parts of their product WhaleCurve in red. Using the same FlowBuilder template, but now importing files of a larger organization, you can experience the full scalability of our technology. This time, we are incorporating various sites with their respective departments, all being part of the expense versus resource and the resources files. As a result of the new model, you can see the WhaleCurve of approximately 600 customers. The green-blue cut point of the WhaleCurve shows how many customers make 80% of the top profitability. You can see there are 87 customers, which represents 16% of all customers, which generates 223% of the income statement profit, as we are showing income before interest and tax, EBIT. There are roughly 60% of your customers destroying accumulated profits. The next view shows the Performance Management Suite in action, loading the small organization reflected in the first FlowBuilder model that we discussed. Data is loaded by clicking on the very left icon, which would typically become the icon of the client company. Data imports are converted into binary files, which allows rapid loading of huge databases. Clicking on the next customer WhaleCurve icon, one can select the customer WhaleCurve in profits, cost, or revenue. Clicking on the three-dimensional icon displays the results of the potentializer. In the next Pareto chart, you can see the customer potential, just one dimension of the previous three-dimensional view. The very right icon allows taking of any dimension in any detail. The example shows that we take Manage Customer Relationship Activity Costs, and we look at the WhaleCurve for that particular activity and drill down into tobacco, and as the next step, we're able to look into their expenses of that tobacco activity cost. I hope this video gives you a first-hand overview of the capability that rapid business modeling could provide you with. Please click on the Ask Author a Question button to contact us directly. Thank you.